Extremely Cool uses of dental toothpicks that everyone should know. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. In everyday life, dental floss picks may seem like a small, ordinary item. Found in nearly every household, most people assume they're just for cleaning teeth and preventing oral health issues. But surprisingly, these little tools hold a wide range of unexpected and amazing uses. Join me in this video as we uncover the hidden powers of dental floss picks and turn them into your new secret weapon for everyday life. The first use is cutting tape. Have you ever struggled to tear tape by hand? It's sticky, hard to control the cutting line, and often ends up in a mess. Now, with just a dental floss pick like this one, especially the type with a pointed end, you can cut tape cleanly and effortlessly in seconds. It's super simple to do. When you need to cut tape instead of struggling to tear it by hand or searching for scissors, just use the pointed end of a dental floss pick. Place the piece of tape you want to cut on a flat surface. Gently press the pointed tip of the floss pick onto the tape and pull it along in a straight, firm line. Thanks to the sharp tip, the adhesive layer will be sliced cleanly. No tangles, no uneven tears. Quick tip: keep a floss pick taped to the inside of your tape roll. That way, it's always ready when you need it. Super convenient. The second use is cleaning your computer keyboard. Over time, your keyboard tends to collect dust and debris in the tiny gaps between the keys. You might even see a layer of grime underneath. If not cleaned regularly, it can reduce the key's responsiveness and make typing harder. Using just a brush isn't effective without the right tools. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. But don't worry, all you need is a dental floss pick. Wrap a piece of strong tissue or thin cloth around the pointed end and use it to clean between the keys and inside narrow crevices. Just scrub back and forth a few times and the dust will come right off. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. You can also wrap some paper or cloth around the thicker end to clean larger grooves and gaps. Super effective and practical. The third use is to peel mangoes. If you don't have a knife and want to eat a mango, just use a dental toothpick. This is an extremely simple method, especially suitable for lazy people. Using a clean toothpick, place the pointed end on the mango skin. Do not stab too deep to avoid making the mango juice leak. Move the toothpick across the skin to divide the mango into 4 parts. Use a toothpick to gently poke under the shell to separate the shell from the meat. Do not tear the shell or pierce the meat, as this will be wasteful. Separate in the opposite direction like that. Then gently peel the mango. Very easy and not watery, as easy as peeling a banana. The mango meat is clean and not lost. Who would have thought that with just a dental toothpick you can quickly peel a mango without a knife? Try it and upgrade your mango eating experience. The fourth use is to debone chicken feet. The chicken feet have been cleaned and boiled. Use the pointed tip of a dental toothpick to make a few cuts along the chicken feet. Then, poke a toothpick into the cut. Gently slide along the bone to separate meat from bone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. This method helps retain more meat and makes it easier to separate the bones. The back of the chicken feet is usually close to the bone, while the front has a separate layer of fat. Do the same with both sides. Just like that, you will have a perfect boneless chicken leg. Quick, convenient. I highly recommend you try it. The fifth use is to mark book pages. When reading a book, sometimes we have to pause in the middle. If you don't bookmark the page, it will take time to find it again next time. At this point, just use a dental pick to mark. Next time you read it, you just need to glance at it to know what page you are reading. Many people fold the edges of books to mark them, but this will cause the books to wrinkle and lose their value. Those who read a lot can use dental toothpicks instead of bookmarks. Very convenient and no need to spend money on buying extra items. The sixth use is to clean the phone. After a long time of use, the headphone jack, charging port, speakers, and small slots on the phone will accumulate dust. Due to its small size, it is difficult to clean with a regular towel. If left for a long time, dust will affect the operation and life of the phone. At this point, you just need to use a dental pick. Wrap a thin paper around the head and gently rub it into the small crevices to push the dust out. This method can be used for other electronic devices. Very effective at cleaning small crevices or vents. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Seventh use of dental toothpicks for fruit skewers. If you are eating fruit and don't have a toothpick or small fork, you can completely take advantage of a dental toothpick with a handle to make a mini skewer. Clean, convenient, and ready to use. Take a clean dental pick. Using the pointed end of the skewer, skewer the cut fruit directly. Serve like a toothpick or mini fork. When finished eating, you can throw away the stick or, if necessary, use it properly to floss your teeth. You can carry a few sticks in your bag if you regularly eat fruit at work or on picnics. Those are 7 useful uses of dental toothpicks. Which tip do you like best? Leave a comment and let us know. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel to support me. Goodbye for now. See you in the next video.